Hey guys, let's see how to update a Dell laptop. In this case, I'm talking about update drivers. Right here I have a Dell Latitude 7490 and there are different ways to update, right? So I just come here to Google Chrome, that'll be the first way. And I can type Dell drivers and download. So by doing that, you can come to the Dell's website here on drivers and downloads. And the first thing that I have to do is identify your computer. See, there's this tool that identifies my computer as a Dell Latitude 7490. There is also a service tag. If that doesn't work, you can just come here and identify your product by just typing here Dell Latitude or any model that you have available there, right? So when I click here, Latitude, you see that I have the screen here. Sometimes you have popping up windows, so you just need to close and come down and look for drivers. Here I have select drivers. Don't forget to choose the operating system. In my case, here's just Windows 11. And then when you go down, you see all the recommended drivers that you need to update. Okay, and also the critical ones. You see BIOS, for example, and others here that are critical and some that are recommended. Okay, so you can come and download one by one and start updating them. You see here, for example, Dell Latitude BIOS. You just select here, click download. It's going to come to your folder here, to your download folder, and from here you can update, right? Or the other option here is just look for tools. See that I have tools like this one. When I type here Dell, there's this Dell Command update. Then you can click on check and wait for the system to check what update is available. This is super simple. You see also here that shows the service tag. When you need to talk to Dell or go to the website, you can just put the service tag there that identifies your computer. There's a critical update for this computer, so I can just click here install, or I can also view the details. So super simple. Let me just close this down. I'm not gonna use this right now, just to show you that I have another one here that I also can use. This is the Dell Command SupportAssist, sorry. So I just type here Dell SupportAssist. And this tool takes a while to load compared to the other one. And here you see that I have a full scan. I can scan everything here. I can optimize my computer. Let me just come here, for example, for a full scan system. You see, that runs and check what I have available for the update. Let me just uncheck the scan hardware or boost performance or optimize network. Right now I'm interested only on check for updates. So I just come here and I click start. And it says here that it's going to take 3 minutes or 2 minutes and something, right, to check, but usually it does pretty fast. You see here, like 30 seconds, and I'm good to go. And it shows here that I have just one thing to be updated. So I just click here, View Update, and you see that I have the Dell SupportAssist Recover plugin to be updated, right? So I just click here, Install, and I'm good to go. So super simple, right? I just click here on Install. Wait for it to validate the installation, and it's going to update the Dell SupportAssist itself. So if you have a lot of updated to be done, it will take a while, usually sometimes it takes even half hour to update everything, especially if you're going to update the BIOS, okay? Just wait for it to update, and you're good to go. So super simple, okay? And you can find those tools here on the Dell website. I'm just, you see here that it got updated, right? I'm just close this down and show you that I can find this on Dell's website. If you don't have the tool yet, when you come here and type Dell, if you don't find the Dell Command update or the Dell SupportAssist, just come here and type Dell Command update download or something like this. You see that I have this first link here, Dell Command update for the US. It depends on the country that you're located, right? Here I have this. I can identify my product, my PC, and then I can get the correct one, right? Here I have Dell Update Windows Universal Application. That's the one. It got my computer's model. And here I can just download it too. Click here, download to my folder, and I can install it. Super simple. Or I can come here as well and type Dell SupportAssist download. That's the one. Here, just look for mine. Here, that's a home PC. Just click here, go down, and download the SupportAssist from here. It goes to my download folder, and I can just install it, and I'm good to go. So super simple, okay? Basically, that's the way you can update the drivers on your Dell laptop. I hope this helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.